Hi there, it's Tal from PSKiss.com, and I would like to show you how to use PSKiss Product Photography Toolkit. Personally, I prefer working in full screen mode with menu bar, so before I start working, I hit the F key once. This centers the image on a gray background with the ability to scroll or move it later on. So, let's get started. The first filter in this tutorial will be Polish. Note that once you click any filter in this panel, the image will be centered and all Photoshop panels are hidden. Don't worry, they'll be back after you click OK or Cancel. With Polish, you enhance contrast using a technique that makes the surfaces look deeper, giving the product a three-dimensional appearance. You use the Amount slider to control the intensity and the Radius slider to control edge width. Once you're done, click OK. Note that you get a new layer with a filter name, leaving your original image unchanged. Next one, which can also be the first one, is density. Density makes your product appear thicker and richer. Use the density amount to control how it deepens the color. Use the restore reds if you feel like in this example that the red colors are oversaturated. Use the contrast control slider to add contrast or soften the contrast as you please. Once you click OK, another layer is added. Let's move this a bit below and see before and after. The next filter I want to show you is Expose. This is a very handy feature of this panel that allows you to brighten the exposure or darken the exposure by 1/10 of a stop. In the camera, you usually get it by thirds. Here, you get it by 1/10 of a stop. Click OK and get a new layer. Next filter, and a very important one in this product photography toolkit, is Jewellery. Jewellery controls the stone, the gem appearance in the jewel and the metal appearance, specially designed to enhance gold colors, make them look deeper and richer. Now that's a bit too much. This is nice. Now you click OK. It's almost seamless, but it has a major. Let's move this around. See before and after. Before and after. Now let's create some color variations. Colorizer allows you to replace colors of your product quickly and easily without worrying about reflections. Looking for them, selecting them. Use the red or green slider this way. You can reset. Use the blue yellow for these colors. It's not designed for accurate color measurement. It's designed for color variations of your product. Again, a layer is added to leave your original photograph unchanged. Next will be Edge. Edge emphasizes edges of the product shapes. Use the Amount slider to control the intensity and the Radius slider to set edge width. this way. Less intense, more intense, thinner edges, or thicker edges. Once you're done, click OK. Heike creates a special effect of a brightened by light photograph. The level slider controls the amount of brightness or light you put on top of your product photograph. Last but not least is Wide Sharp, which will sharpen the image while protecting shadow and highlight details. It is designed to prevent color shifts and halos. Before I start working with Wide Sharp, I want to add some polish and density to this photograph. Again, polish adds polish to the product. Add some density. This really made this product photograph look much better. Now I'm going to use Wide Sharp on top of the other two. Use the amount slider to set the intensity of sharpness, and use the radius. Again, this is a small image, so I'm reducing the radius to about 1 or 2, and you get a nice sharp image. Let's see the before and after. So please remember that each filter can be activated by itself. You can also activate them after any other filter in this panel or any other pixel layer you have in your Photoshop document. That's all for this one. You're welcome to visit us at PSKiss.com and learn about our other Photoshop panels, our DNG profiles, and our presets. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.